Here I am, Gozolondia, with my new friend. Say what's up.
Hello.
We are on Waterfall in Puerto Rico. I don't know what y'all think about this El Yunque rainforest, but this is the best waterfall ever. And we're the only ones here. What's up with that? Yeah, get that sign. Gonzo. Oh, they got iguanas everywhere. See, last time I was here, it was like packed. Probably like 50, 100 people here.
Walking down.
Yeah, it was like packed. It's like we paid for a private waterfall. Yeah. But yeah, this is supposed to be the main waterfall here. This is it. Look at this. Woo! That's crazy, huh? I'm gonna get a couple of videos. Y'all can head down there, and I'm gonna head back to the car and watch. Pretty awesome, huh? Huh? Yeah, I'll be there just chilling. They got another path. If you walk over there, there's another one. Hey, have So guys, I am out of shape, but trying to catch my breath. This is the second part of Gozolondia. So over there's the waterfall I just did a video of. Upstream, you can see they got the river stream over here. It's pretty cool. So out of freaking shape. Yeah, it keeps going all the way down. If y'all want to go, or y'all tired? Huh?
He wants to go to the beach.
You go to the beach?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.